So finally, the last exercise, and it will be a very short one. Again, we are talking about MLR regression with two x variables and one y variable. And we have two regression. We have two cases, A and B. And then you can see what you see here, it's a contour plot. So these contours, these lines, it's a contours for y values. For example, if you take this line have the same y. So y is the same in all these points of this line. And then it's different here. And again, along the line, the y is the same. So that's what we call a contour plot, right? So your task is to tell what's the difference between the two models. So both models, they are described by this equation. But what's the difference between the two models? Again, pause the video, think a little, try to answer yourself, and then come back when you're ready. Okay, so the answer is sort of simple, right? So you remember that when you don't have interaction, when you don't have this term, your model is strictly linear. So it will be a linear, it will be a plane, for example, in three-dimensional space. But when you have an interaction, the model is not linear anymore. So this is a non-linear model if you have an interaction. And that's what we can see here as well, right? So in this case, these contours, they are not lines. They look like a sort of parabolas or similar. So the only difference between case A and case B is that for case A, B3 is 0. And for case B, B3 is not 0. So it means that this is a model with interaction. With interaction terms. So it means that x1 and x2 have an interaction, while this model is without interaction. So that's the only difference. That was it. I hope this lectures and the seminar made the understanding of block 3 a little bit more clear, better. And now you can actually continue working with your mini projects.